Abusia ya mama jua mama kwa baby a wo bia abusia ensamo coach ko bre Michael Batani yetwa krenke wo mamu ya mamfo nkro so a mom petre pene patra pa maji atum ene akekese ene baby a wo bia no enwumre ye ba ne de aba besom monsam ne doso na poso ene edom kuma wa mra se ye fiem de atogya se eyomo wanwa emom ho dwiri wo no pa emre beto dwa se Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng special prosecutor ma ya kire no
owura Kwabena Tahir Hamon wodin kontabo bia ba Monteso efa 1D 1F
na abusia sese Openi Charles BCU de atugya se ene nwanwa se oteato e mantemo na wiase nyina nim ne fie enim ba bia wote na special prosecutor de namo se wo penachene na wode no edi Jack, where are you? I am here entete
aban no de style bi ba ne nyua no ye nkoda nuane a yakra edi fira no ne ba o mamu na wosesan
also for sure my God ngumesua won sansam de atugya sa ba ne de foforo kra ena eba ngumesiam
mara se badwani bi edi nsusuye bi atudwa efa de siye e wo botia no English amanfro no na wo kanse bi ato akire
na no adana mampani na nadu dan kwa kufari ya mamrani amane ya chief justice foforo kra wo ma ni so ya sese wo ba be ye adwumenam so e ma de hye wo sunyan akasa edi afama me na adwuma wo ba be ye no
ye nua ma nom ne nua me ma nom ya wo ye anesefo e wo manso mpatuam chip company bi e wo ho omo de adesrede ye mu odene eto abayanim
abranche bi so akwa ebu kata wo sunyina bonten so mase ye no mo kasei omo ede na akwa gina court wa jeli no
na anwumre ye bedin komo bi na ya de afa ase no by election ho
abusia weni afoforo pi ni akekese ne ne se kase abia wo bia na anwumre ye ba ne de aba besum wo asedan koma 3A Heba Center for wo mo ede 3A co capsule sabegwa so ya Food and Drugs Authority mpenfo ajantumu a koko etutu ase na ahye ase ede amawo na fe African Origin Travels and Sports Tourism se enkanche mo se under 23 African Cup of Nations na ebaso na so ne je ho se opese okobia ne so babaru am offices awudonum na no makwa akodi nkomo enu eche so se free June e de kosi July omo e de amanfo e ko France omo de bi ko Germany omo de bi ko Italy e de bi akọ Spain wani je ho a baru am offices awudonum na enu omo ebedi ho nkomo na Universal Natural Clinic omo se yentini eni dompem e yare a enko ba bia ne anyu sikani stroke no de aye obia fa ho nsem beda wonum dompenu se mututuo se mu dwawo fa ho adwuma e be hye wo nsa no monye enfama omo atonsu esline omo ebebo nsu mu honum anwumre wo mo na ebo echidom a ba bia wo bia ne yetimi aba na yaba besom wo medin e de nana ya abo amalibi aboga anwumre mene
nana Kwabena kese
ya shaka sena se emfa emfri obai Ghana eye yemra swege fiem na emra swege de wo mra swege fiem ade so mo wa central abaton pesia so honorable Rashid Pepo no wagina ne nuanom and si mra swege afo ne nyina na mu a wo kire se eyo mo anwudwiri eyo mo wanwa emra mo teye se kane so afo na hwo maye eye ye obade ene pa wo de adom ye nso Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng special prosecutor amaya kire no a edu ba bi kra na wo se ye mane bail ansana watimi enye ni tire didim omo eche so owura ni obi a wodi ni hu nipa ya yepe ekuku damu a omo apagya omayi ati omayi nim aso omayi nim onyam a yentimi enka wabra Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng yeyi na si nchen nti ye omo nwanwa pa emra ban ne etu sa na mo no Openi Rashid Pepo a wona kasa edema dom kuma no ebo my God na ne pa eye twedi amponyankrompo ne pa wode adom ye ho a ena o kire se enema ha ewo Professor Frimpong Boateng eye ne kire ni mu
an unnecessary arrest. He said, we can't sit down for corruption and destruction of our lands to go on. And we believe so too. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to calling on the government to institute a public inquiry, we wish to also team up with the eco-conscious citizens of Ghana to reiterate these points, which had already been sent to government. Number one, we ask government to revoke the executive instrument EI 144, forest cessation forest reserves. The instrument is 2022. The EI in operation will remove 361.50 acres of forest from Achimota Forest Reserves, and that's the lungs of Accra. Ladies and gentlemen, existing forests all over the country must be preserved The country must preserve its, if indeed we seek to demonstrate our commitment to restoring the destroyed environment and to promote green Ghana as a key climate change in this country. The second is that we are asking for government to pause community mining throughout the country. The destruction from community mining is becoming extensive, is becoming destructive, and it gives the impression that it is a transformation of Galamsey into something more legal, and which to us is unacceptable. And it is for this reason we support activities in Mantuakwa, Shefi, Atroso, and Apiatim, to name a few, who are fighting against community mining and seeking to restore their lands. The third is that we ask government to revoke Section 3.2 of the Environmental Protection.
I was away. I am Rassi Jadin or Rassi Jafima, Desia or more was central about one Pesiaso, Honorable Rashid Pelpo.
And yeah, young Kogomwa is one Mara Sebetani, a Honorable Desmond de Graft, or Nana Ebusa Sembi, our Ghana Mara Sebetamu. Now, Busa and Sua for her dread dinner offense of the Human Sam Soyera Quabanata here, Hammond said, I buy no any swadi who nebo time and swadi who bakubia. Whatever I said 1D 1F no sign a year Juma, I buy no we hene, what an Ensaka could do hene, and Contabuno, Womana Ghana Fontiasia.
Tries to ask the Minister for Trade and Industry how many factories have been built so far by the government under One District, One Factory program, and how many of these factories are in partnership with private companies or organizations. Thank you.
Speaker, from 2017 to date, 296 projects are at various stages of implementation under the 1D, 1F, One District, One Factory program. And Mr. Speaker, the following is the breakdown. Speaker, 126 factories have physically been completed and are in operation and producing. 143 companies are under construction. 27 companies are in the pipeline, or called the pipeline projects. Out of this total, 233 projects are established by the private sector, business promoters, as already indicated, with the active facilitation of government, while 63 1D, 1F projects are established by the government directly. Speaker, it must be noted that government's active facilitation of the private sector investment in 1D, 1F projects consists of special incentives, including tax exemptions and the provision of interest subsidies on loans granted by the participating financial institutions. It also includes, where applicable, the extension of critical utilities such as access to electricity and water.
And yeah, it Adansia so kwamara sebetwani yewura kwabena Tahiru Hamo.
Abusu ya twaso na ye de mafrim na se gefie mo hodo mo ye de makọ Charles BC wonsensem a ebobo edeba. Na no pay ne beto just special prosecutor e de krata aba bonte aba be ne se opani Charles BC wa mampani na nadu dan kwaku for sa branu a usu akon kese e wo galamsey hu a okoka ministers bomu se omonko mutirimpam ho na omomo ano ne yentimi ntu galamsey ase no. Sa interministerial committee mampani na nadu dan kwaku for do ekekadisi ani so muntu galamsey ase no opani Charles BC na na twetwofo opani pede kwanchefa no da no a ho dada dwumadie nyina na wo eye na busunya mamanu tuase enua na asare me ya wa na ase ekoye mfisi mu edefa na dwuma ye hu ekoko wiase video no mu nsam de nyame na me ba bebo so ebiza ho nsam ejina court wa put to you ekoso ewo ho na so ma special prosecutor shase a oru Charles BC adwuma oyeye ene ye mpapa kwabena from Pomboaten minister kane no hwe obade ne pa wode adom yenso no papa no momo no tua se na wotwe mu no na so ye hye pa e ma special prosecutor ma ye che no a edu ba bi na wo se ofre dom e ma be ma ne bail ansa na wanya ne kire dim se opani a special prosecutor e pe no wache no e ye Charles Bisiu e ma efred opandi besi anwumre de entity abeto so mpa fam nsem chefa proso che se as a Charles Bisiu and special prosecutor no di Jack, where are you? I am here. Jack, where are you? I am here. Good year. Papa say wa pe Charles Bisiu e wo Ghana ne nkran sa ya wonya no enchi no and I'm so much Charles Bisiu aba bonten and nsem chefa aba bedin komo se e no nwanwa ne hososo adwiri ne pa special prosecutor no and nam no akeka sai wo po no Charles Bisiu na che no a Charles Bisiu no and no edin tetentete and Jack, where are you? I am here. Good year. Wasi obi a enim se no Charles Bisiu no o te atoy mantemo secondary takura dia bonten so no wote obi asoso nim ne fie etise papa no ese wo pene wa kire no a onim ba bia wote adai na enka bia wo ma honum na oma emeche no wo se onwane nko ba bia ewiase enim ba bia wote ho no da so etene nto bibia obegina ba bia kasa an ase Charles Bisiu dwane special prosecutor no wo se wo ya no enim ne wo keka bia.
I have been invited to various investigative agencies, as the NIB, which are visitation, the CID, the National Security, pertaining to the Galamsey problems. The OSP's office itself, I've also been there, I think. Why? So I am actually running away from attending a meeting at the OSP's office. I asked for time to attend, and I think there was a misunderstanding. I actually abide by the laws of this country, and so I don't think, defying the creature of our constitution or the laws of Ghana is the best thing. I've been law-abiding, and so basically I haven't gone missing. I'm in the country. I was in the Western region, so I will attend. And I think that when I attend this, I think it would further even redeem my image, because we know that for the past 4 or 5 years, with this Galamsey menace, we've been going back and forth where a lot has happened. I think this is also an opportunity for me to further redeem myself, because as I said, I've been to various regulatory or investigative agencies, and I've actually given them statements. So I do not know what the special prosecutor is going to ask me about. I've always been consistent, and I think that the consistency with which I've actually churned out or given information to help them in their investigation would be the same at the OSP's office. So they wrote to me, I think a few weeks ago, and I got my lawyer to write back to say that I was actually not indisposed, and that they should give me a few days, and they said they were not going to agree to that pressure coming on a certain day, which I couldn't because I wasn't feeling well. And then further to later on, I heard of an arrest warrant, and then now we have this coming up. But I think also then we're all working in the interest of the country. Once I attend the interview, and then I think we'll come to a conclusion that Ghana must move forward, and that's how I'm feeling. I avail myself, serve the country, and I believe that certain responsibilities come with accountability, and I would avail myself. And I've never ever run away from the laws of this country. I think I just have to correct that erroneous impression that Charles Bisiu is a fugitive and all that. No, I'm not.
I was your penny Charles Bisiu and yet in Canona and watching on this source was a Besina on near air Casey. Special prosecutor into mean such an canton is a beer, quid was messy, and as well Bentini, and our day a bono. And one is a bribio of Betty Bia, Nansen Jeffo Bomuja, and a Charles Bisiu ye Pewachi, special prosecutors who were declared wanted ya, watching up Pewa when you want to, and watches a Besina, our two way, Unimqua Ducra. Special prosecutor and so what they bono and then personal lawyer for crano. I can one in a call. I'm on Macquaco, you one.
I don't think there's any charge, because I have to first be interviewed first. You understand? So you see, that's the thing that's actually transpiring now. Once you're invited, everybody thinks that you're a criminal or you've been charged. I think we need to correct that and then educate people. And like I said, I've been to NI and all that, but BNI now NIB, National Security and all that. Some of them, I went in there. They wanted I was a suspect. I rendered my statement, and up to now, nothing has happened. I've been to the police, CID, where I gave them my statements. And then later on, I even came home and then prepared certain documentation for them to help them in their investigation. So I don't think it's a thing of me being charged. I have not been charged for any crime. It's an investigation that they are delving into, which I think, yes, the laws of the country allow for that. So for me, I think that once you avail yourself to serve your country, you're responsible and then you're held accountable for whatever you do. I mean, for me, for it to drag for 4 years, over 4 years, and up until now, hurts me and my reputation, my case, and everything. Because I think with the laws, we should have timelines in investigating certain matters so that the person can, have his or her peace of mind. But then you go in there and then investigating the matter, and it can take forever. It can take 10 years. And now society is such that once you've gone in there, everybody sees you as a criminal. You know what I mean? So I haven't gone ill. I'm within the jurisdiction. I would attend, but to answer your question, yes. I saw that from 2019, an investigation has gone up until now, where I've written about 3 or 4 petitions, asking as to where we've got into, and we get no reply, and then it goes on and on and on and on. That's, worrying. But then it comes with the responsibility that I was given, and I have to be accountable for it. But I don't think that's the norm everywhere, or that's what transpires everywhere. But I will avail.
I was Penny Charles BCU and the attending Kano Interministerial Committee no one and a church for Penny da woman no.
Marasebe Johnny de ma adehye ya ewo Ketu South aye Abla Jifa Gomasi. Wana ejina ni nua Kwame Jijole Gakpe anamu na wo busa asem Ghana Marasebe Dwamu. Asem no nyina no eye tietia etrese wo hwe eka oman ne bo na yede nkoda nua ni frem no ne eba wo man mu a na yenso so ye den aban wo teso e de aboa na se wo ye den na wo busa nyina no na wo busa yewura Kwabena Tahiri Hamon se won ye dwadie ni mfini nyuma so afo ene mekosai
bill for preparation for infant use, which was approximately $25 million US dollars in 2021, reduced to $20 million US dollars in 2022. In this regard, government would continue to assist the growth of the food sector through targeted interventions, especially companies specializing in the manufacture of food preparations for infant use. This will further reduce the import bill on infant food preparations. More specifically, government is supporting the private sector to enhance the local production of food preparation for children. This is partly through the 1B, 1F program and partly through the laudable efforts of key players in the fast-moving consumer food industry. Under the 1B, 1F program, Premium Food Limited, located at Kwaso in the Ajeso municipality of the Ashanti region, installed a new production line with capacity to produce 18 tons per hour of highly nutritious, fortified blended foods, and the company has installed additional sites with storage capacity of 17,600 metric tons to ensure consistent supply of raw materials. Also under the 1D, 1F program, Yenan Agro Group of Companies.
Yewura Kwabena Tahiri Hamon adansia so kwamra se betwane o mai dwadie ni mfide dwuma so afo eno no na wo wie ye no ano ena ne nsa benkum so pe de wo ye sahene edemadom kuma no adwuma ko enyam esiem abato mpasua no so ne ombra se betwane Yewura Dr. Kelsel ato forcing ena kasai wono so gira mu ebusa asem bi ewo aban ne din mu se wo busa aban no na busa wo busa aban nyina ene se enti yankasa ye de entimi nya bibia amfa ma ye ho sa ba sei no a ye kra ne man di frem no ne ba eto eda so no enya asem ketoa no kasa to force ebusa sasem wen na wo busa ewo ne nua Dr. Kwabena Donko edimu won na ye mara se betwane edema de sey wo pro is ye ntesa de nsem so esikọ so
business regulatory reforms, public-private dialogue mechanism. Mr. Speaker, these are the components of the interrelated interventions that constitutes the critical success factors needed to achieve industrial transformation in Ghana.
Yes, leader, do you have any supplementary question? Mr. Speaker, I have supplementary question.
Yadamo call a software one a show my gun and Gomesia Hons and some so honorable Doctor Osaya Waduchum so atanaye. No, the Atuga say a bino against such a level for cry. Oh, my gun and Gomesia Hons and Simum, and I'm so many Oko junior high schools. I would know Titru and then you say a bias, no. Can it to one of them if you could be guess here? Nami guess SP on Muticha Kabata Bresi, Ubons are dino, or more SNBBB. When you boss who could no say where the school then is one or says our prime na. Near Namso this year school, Titru, your senior high school near primary schools out or no, say Aban we ask Shasia, what more Samukra, ya watches a working, or do a near Etra Santi Jabin, ya was Santamanta Masia, ya wajabia baton Persuasua, on my Shasia Sadan, or Musibi Munuchian El Honum, Nanya Honko, Oquasim, ya no so a war, Subiabaton Persuasua, Sadan Cromrochian Prime for Frodo, or Mo ACB or Honomo, or do a nature Bantama Baton Persuasua, Bantamas and Subwati. Impression so or more ACB sao and a jusu a deputy finance minister Dr. John Kuma one of so impression so a Joshua a ongia bonten so or more ACB honum was sitting na a botaya bino at the sin so was a sanyama or my Ghana yungumasium
MPP abai o mampeni na na adodanko kufado o de ngumasuanse saye kese aba emu odu esen de ehye honbokra na minua enkrofo hu abrochime mu onpoma baso na baso bo no so ba na de manana de danko kufuado adaroma na obefa mi free abrochire wa mfa me anase ofa me kra de mbedu ye no mama kwanya enka mi ntimi nye ntibibi a me ye bia na adaroma na me gina na namu na me ye sebe ya ebe hu se ngumesua ye kasa esesa no we de wa wani enie wo banie waso ne nsa edna ko wura school mu a wa ohwe nkonwa egu ho baabi ohonom a sabi kroketwa omo junior high school ketwa enye hwe wo beko baabi ohonom a kro no se baabi se dwabe junior high school be dumienu ene wo ho wo baabi na nkwala aduotwe wo beko baabi na nkwala wo ha minua se me pese me sesa school ni nyina no kire se me si library mu bia ese me computer lab mu bia ese me science lab mu bia wintimi nya sa akwanya no woni hu sika na so kambom na usi school kese ba ko de ade wo esese ewo junior high school bia mu no ebeba ho enti ehwe enkura junior high school no do so a enso de kese ba ko bia betina anante aba ho na afi wodi mfidie mu odu egu ho ama wo mu na o de enwumesu antete yesonko a eya brochire nsa no enso aba ho na afi wasi edan ema omo ye electricity bibia nsuo baby ombeji omanan why na fefe ai menwumesu no etimi konanim eno ene free senior high school nto aso ne nto so a man pena na do danko kufuado e de aba yeye
abusu awo yemra se dwani awo mra se je fiema de se omo bosum twa baton peso aso asantema se ono akro no a ene sa so yesoafo a o my God yengumasua ohweso honorable Dr. Oseyawo Adutwum
eda so wo Ghana mbara se bedwa fie ho no honorable Sylvester Tete na ebusa ensem ebra wo busa ensem no se opese wote ase no hunu de se ne de ekọ aban no eyeden efa ensem bia esiye ewo botia no English amanfrom ya enam so ma nipa enum eti ne nanam won sedo a aprosifo de kata ba bonten etre sesa nipa nyina no sabi ebi eye arm robbers na ebi nso ye langas a ehun sensem no ekoye bebre opeso ohunu se aban no etu anamon ben ene de afa ho na wo sane de akofom kakra na wo kire se wono de ebe yanke enti abadwakuo bi a eye kontonkro no no ankasa enfa de na ensifom na onhwehwɛ mu sebe ya yebeti bi ehunu de ekɔ support ne ehun ba bi a ejane friba na yetimi adum no ebra na obusa sansam no na achiamehene abedi akire ya oyɛ mmarasebedwa ɔmmarasebedwa mu yɛwura Andrews Amoako asiama ɛna Amoako asiama kyerɛ sɛ ampa asɛm no wabusa no sɛ menko a meka sɛ megye no matenase a ɛnya adeɛ sɛ ɛbɛtuma yɛ kura ne sa yɛnti no me so me pia so de akɔma afisɛm bambɔ mpanifo no mo so ahunu kwampa a ɔmbɛtumi ɛde afa so
ɛti sɛ ɛtuo tutuo bi ɛkɔɔ so wɔ Botiano English amanfoɔ ne ne mpɔtam hɔ nafoɔ mmienu akyi ɛna polisifoɔ gye tu mu sɛ ɛyɛ wɔn na wɔkɔyɛ operation wɔ na nipa a wɔtu wɔn so sa no ɛyɛ nipa a sɛbi wɔn ɛwɛn nsase a wɔn kuta etuo ne nneɛma a ɛnsɛ mfata abusuafoɔ ne adɔfo a ɛwɔ mpɔtam hɔ ɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ wɔn nim saa nkurɔfoɔ no wɔn nyɛ langas na mmom wɔn yɛ nipa bi a yɛtu anwea wɔ hɔ na ɛsan sɛ asase no yɛ wɔn deɛ nti wɔn kɔ asase no so yɛtu anwea no a na wɔn agye digging fee ne saa nneɛma no ɛno na ɛde kɔfa asa ɔyɛ na ɛbaayɛ abusuafoɔ gyina afa baabi apolisifoɔ nso gyina afa baabi sɛ meyɛ mmarahyɛbadwani deɛ na wɔ sɛ mede bɛtu parliament anim na parliament nso agye atom sɛ defence and interior committee of parliament no wɔn mmɔmɔden nkɔ mu ndɔ mu sukɔ na yɛnhwɛ baabi asɛm no ɛsi gyina sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a obi mfa ne sa ɛntenetene apolisifoɔ so anaasɛ obi nso mfa ne sa ɛntenetene abusuafoɔ bi so ɛno nti na ɛnɛ yɛafrɛ sɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ sɛ mommoa ɛberɛ a yɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ yɛtoto abusuafoɔ ne apolisifoɔ ano yi mo na mode bɛto dwa ɛwɔ Ghana ha ayɛwɔ gyideɛ kɛseɛ paa sɛ adwumadeɛ a ɛbɛdi no wɔ parliament yi ɛbɛboa ma langard nsɛm ɛtututu nsɛm no adeadeɛ no ɛbɛbrɛ no ase afei nso mesrɛ sɛ me manfoɔ nya aban mu didie na obi mfa mmara ɛnhyɛ ne nsa ko obi mfa ne nsa ntenetene obi so sɛ wei na ɛhyɛ akyire anaasɛ wei na ɛhyɛ akyire bɛkɔ so asrɛ wɔ mu na megyidie kɛseɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛyɛ adwuma pa na Ghanafoɔ nyina so anya ho mfasoɔ meda mo ase
ɛne yɛ a ɛtwagu yɛyi saa berɛ na nsɛm bisa no ɛkɔ so akyeamehene abɛde akyire yɛ wɔ hɔnom yɛwura Andrews Amoako asiama
awusa yɛmfa mo firi mmaraso agafiem ne yɛmfa mo nkɔma mpanin na nado danko akufo ado wɔkyema pɛsɛ bɛma bɔ daa wɔno so so atena yɛ na nnura ɛna ɔyɛ amammerɛ ne amane a ma me Gertrude Araba Esaba Tokunu sesei waba bɛyɛ Ghana yɛ Chief Justice soforo koraa na mampanin na nado danko akufo ado gyina ne tumi a Ghana yɛ amammerɛ ne nkyi ama ɛne amammerɛ constitution ne de ama no so ɛbɔ ne din sɛ mmaraso agafo no ndosodoso no na sɛfi ne kekawa bi ani ne ho a wɔnoma agyina tom ama no aba bɛyɛ Ghana yɛ Chief Justice wabra yɛn papa kwasi ɛne yɛboa na adwuma aso wɔn ɛyɛ adwuma no mo nya 70 years ya ɛwɔ so wɔn kɔ na wɔn ɛkɔkɔdwo wɔn ahome ɛkɔ retirement na yɛn papa kwasi ɛne yɛboa ɛkɔgyina ahome no na ɛwɔ sɛ mampani ɛgyina tumi so no paul nipa foforɔ ɛmama me Gertrude Araba Esaba Tokunu oboni den ɛmampani ampamra so yɛfo no tena ase ɛdosodoso no a efini nkekawani no no na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo to aba ɛgyina tumi na bato no ɛyere twan kakra deɛ na nso afane afane nyina gitum ɛma ɛnura mampani na nado danko akufo ado ɛyɛ amammerɛ ne amane a maame ne so ayɛ ya ɛnɛ wahyɛseɛ ɛyɛ n'adwuma ɛba sɛ yɛ no ɛne yɛ nuanom Sompa 98.9 FM ɛwɔ sunyan ɛtisi mu sɛ ɔmo ne sunyan adehyeɛ ɛdi nkɔmɔ na ɔmo abusa wɔ no mu sɛ maame adwuma a ɔba bɛyɛ sɛ Chief Justice foforɔ no ɛdeɛ na ɔmo hwɛ ne mu sɛ ɔmbɛhu ɛde afiri n'adwuma yɛ mu wɔno ɛne yɛ ɔba ɔtɔ so mmiɛnso a sɛ dubere wɔba na waba bɛkuta bie na de hyɛ wosunya bɔnten so nsɛm a ɔmde tu yɛ nim kakra ni
I'm saying some years back, Calvin Taylor accused the past Chief Justice. So I quite $5 million. Besine justice, that this ex-justice, only no to occur until you possess justice wabe new justice appointed justice we. My young say I am say Chief Justice or J and I want J. No one prepare and now especially birth certificate my young say or your gun ni na dear nature or your gun ni and then the dear dance because yen Parliament send na ototo papa so nti won clarify na Ghana ni ehun say a woman wo hospital ni ye document me and prove say me ye Ghana ni na bibi say na mama hu say me ye Ghana ni na ne etoso miens nu am pese wo say ka ho asem ne say Ghana card na vice president say or de be issue ama every baby newborn baby no pese me bisa Chief Justice say ye wo ba na ye tu ne din wo hospital mu anase ye de no kofie biometrics no ye fa ye be fa abofra ni din ya wo no woni din nti eye den na ono Ghana card na me yetima mu ni ami manyini pihwe Ghana card me nya eno aro
the fact Chief Justice na question mo say for me I'm not expecting much from here. The reason is this: kosi sɛ the politicians ne bɛtwe wɔn ho afiri judicial system ma Ghana ni bia nyɛ n'adwen sɛ yɛbɛnya fair judgment. Number 2, said the mimi who court system no, it's not about no kura unim, it's about the law. Enti ebekos we ginechire akasa se kokota yenkano kre yekrene dahwani enamche. It's not about the fact, it's about the law. So mimi wuni say country no ye hear education when it comes to judicial system no ye hear more education. Now
Abusianti we adishie bi no ma wo sunyene abonten so ma me justice get through tokonu adwuma wo ba beye se chief justice efofro kra no se ne omusi hu no ne omo hye ni mu se ma me e de beba ne adwuma obeye e de ama omo ne yete se wo mo ebobo so kakra de kire ye no
yenko apomde mu nsam kakra nurse for ya wo manso mpatuom chip compound na esu e de afra ban omo asem omo kanyina e kire se Sauba manso mpatuom ho se nu a kwadwuma koso wo ho pa ade se wo mpatam ho so edoso yie nanso so no akade bi te se ba bi a emma fa afuru a obeda ene ade no ebi ni ho ene niam nketenkete bi eka ho ebie mu nso wore ye wo ye adwuma e wa yaresabea ho no ba bi a wode wonti beto no akoye den e de ama wo mo wo ka so obi mra ho kora enem se wonya ba bi mfa ne ti entunti no na ompese obeba empatuom a yeka ho asem e wa manse west mansine mu e wo asante mantem ha sei e bra ye nua ba ma Ebeneza wo wuso ansa ene owura praise boache wo physician assistant edin komo na obusan se Ebeneza asem a yeka no nyese bia yeka de agu abana ni mu ase o sa abana pa e ma na ni aba manso mpatuom ho sei nu a enka ba boa ama kra bebre atimi agira wo naso.
Okay. Mpatuom chip compound how be brain ye face na enimanim ya de nke be pese kroma for nananom ene wo video yi audio yi obeti bia be kan wakoma bia no ba ko ye staff strength will form and they say me as a physician assistant me need 3 community health nurses and 1 midwife and ye wo honum sisi na accommodation problem nipa miensane insiane de yi na yo baby adi etito na sese ya yeka sei no district director ya na adwen say akodi bi ba be kan midwife ebeba community health nurses bi ba be kan road nurses beba na baby asabi omoba omudi omuti beto no problem ebi ni ho sese say yeka sei ye besre say why kan wakoma bia patuom man penifo won patuom besre say obabuta wani aba behwe patuom fu na regional director of health services omu ina wa adwen pasom be peja impatuom akodu health center status chief company de isama patuom man grand patuom pro kesie isama yen kra the pressure ba if you say you can say empamiensa ene ye wo si hono enti na imagine say labor ba na che say openfo ne da ba koso na je say akatu automatically akatu tu na kai ayarefo miensa bomba na che say o ye ne den ebi wo sometimes there is a bench so na wa pedal stand e dey si hono no that bench so now they manage no onya recover kakra na wa ye den wa man orals medications or the way den be kwa koto aso ha adwen ntino ehiamoa ebesre
na mpatuomu ayeka ho asem se bia nene ye da edikan ya wate mpatuomu asem a e wa manse west mansine mu e wo asante mantem ha sei physician assistant yewura prince boache ena oni enua bema Ebeneza wusu ansa edi sankomo Ebeneza mananso ho a woni assembly member de ma de say wo mpatuomu electoral area ho honorable Anthony Amankwa edi kon no busan so of Anthony he say no mo ye den
hospital chip compound na mu face no ana montu a yetu bi ne se o mbika de beto ye nim se obi yare na se o betumi aso anu mpo kakra ansa na ko hospital kesie mu a neme ho akade ni ho nti ma medical procure nebulizer asthmatic patients for no e de be ma wo mama o oxygen cylinder oxygen accessories and between the insuasi nipa so ho nembom adan ne accommodation na o mo hwe ne de me friend man for na me adama ochna na me na manfo atena se kan nsase efi o chine koya kan nsase nti wiki be kwa wiye no e be sha se de already ya wo 3 bedrooms ho ya bosso but enya anye madwuma enya plasta na ya kan nsase apefoto ka kare da ko wie sa 3 bedrooms na ma wo no kre how the my pa because I reside here say eno ne ye prime aim nti se o manfo ho na o ma ayare je no ho asema high pa nenso itu ho na mo edim se na me adaroma tobika yo me sere patom ni di hye bia na botefom di hye bia wa kontu wo kuma se enkran abrochire obete saa eni ofi mantemo ha ne de sere se ka woni ba hwam patom ne ba boaye o ya resa bia mu na ihia mo pa na se bio bushafo no so ma ka eche no so ehun se omode hye we ya okopia ha no na me so na saa emwa wo ya ba na ya hyambo emwa bia mo de beba bia no dwuma dia mo hyese nkodie no eno ne ba kwa kodie wa bra emfa beebi
we honorable Anthony Amankwa Mpatuam West Electoral Area Assembly member no
ya toka se no so na ya sa de mako sunyan ye ebio na ene sunyan magistrate court akwa setena amowura bia ye fene se Emmanuel Kwadwo Brafo ya dodo no a esanma nense pozo wine wo mo edine kogina court nanim emene court wa hye so mo emfa no nkotum ifie makoma biensa no nkoye adwumaden emfa emwaga na ban pozo wine yo bia yesi mobile money agent bie en wo ya nti wo bia yesi friend say Emmanuel Ofori ena afa na adwuma eja wa bie mumu ade bia manuo en wote hom en eja wo ne kakra na bosome so a watua ne ka na eno obde ne kogina court wo no no kwadu bofo a no obokwadu e kire se pozo wan yi yesi na no kwasi da bi eno osori anopa wo call ne boss Emmanuel Ofori honum ekoje ye phone no omode ye mobile money no okokoje ye se ja wo kwa adwuma ba na enwumre waba bebu akonta brantie woji mobile phone no omode ye momu no se wo kwa adwuma ba ene se ene aposifo kire no a wo mo ade ne kogina court wo no mo eye befu a fabu eno de no ho eka nwura wo mo pe no enye omutiri na ye ena mobile money agent ku a ewo sunyene abonten so wo mo ekuo babako ekowu sa kwai wakobo no sese wo do mo afichire wo mo bebe ena jobe yi wo masutire ena mo de ne tete ena mo koji ne ku a omo ade ne begina court na busua se wo dwane no na sika na wo phone so eye be 17,000 Ghana cedis abusua for connected one 170 million and a pozo edi edomu na mro mo kwache no wo disika no amanaka 60 million pe na ene emra court no tena se a omo etie pozo asam o cheche ni nsem de kira court no na court no yese de binasem enya de eto asumu ento onkodam mfie miensa na mobile money agent ku a ewo sunya bonte so opani a wada no se twetwofo opani Abdulrazak Bawa echeche nsem sei ede ekire so perfect nsentwefo
in the 48 hours, I'm saying the media so I show after maybe an edition. About to do crime, I'm a gentleman and captain in money bill. Now, Campo, that chat as I'm not so. Into about an annual there and a court. You court on no. And the judge may be no Jitu, but Jitu not at the room here, say, remind the other as I know a jet to me, say, yeah, could I airborne a tear in England? The record he's guilty, and so if he's guilty, he is no longer a suspect. Until now, he has to be convicted. And to a jet to, until Kadan is not and of course, prison. You know, kind of say, the Chewano, Waji, men from searching and it's kind of fire. But your idea when you know, one teach you what to say. So the can say, you cannot do or die or boy on the Montaboy and now I'm not poaching, you can't in the bottom. Now, next year, the cars on the trunk cashew. Now, with a bit Chiacano. And same be say, I'm a course, but then not judging things and then some now cano. It doesn't hold any truth because even also upon a use can and I say, every time I use can I don't know, move to this cano. Let's can that down when I cause one spending can above. So the car but you that is a choreograph and some now cano. Like I said, I didn't put your room now, except as I said, I buy me no evidence. It's a call on almost the Sikanamaya, that is a 6,025 50 pesos. I'm going to say, Emmanuel Ofori, our mobile money agent. Head in the phones, me and Sana, our branch and also can and in the bag, Kitwediana, and woman. The person say, you didn't 2 million chester, if you cannot say. Our Ghana Remuno, after you have seen 7 the sentence, no, you will be a friend of civil suit. You were all right, sir, or the year. You are there, no super bono. Now, you're GSC can finish them.
Abusuantiwe Mobile Money Agents Association of Ghana Konefa ewo sunyane abonten so peni odano secretary for peni de mawunum Abdul Razak Bawa ena na wo cheche nse mode kire nti eja pozo wine apache sise de odene puma no ekọ no de akwa akodem eye 3 years sunyane magistrate court ne asemo mo koye ne ebe omanim no sembeka ahye mo beka ahye nso abe na wotwe mienu ni na asemo yi ero mo koche abrante we ne yedi ho nkoma na me kra na me busa senti wakwa akoye obi asebesebe mpredua wadi dami omde ne kwa akotumi ne poma no wombeji ato ho no ma na se wode poma no nyina be ko prison ho na ode ko bo obi tirim prison ho no muko prano a na omo ye de denie ema nchiremu ba ya so eba ne sa no a omo se ne mbesi etu na monfa enom de ne court a na sam anto asomu a court wa jeli ne 3 years ya wo kwa akodem na sam no sine na Mobile Money Agent mpanifo ne si chechire mu no chese part 2 ewa chire ni de chire de mefa to bia ne yemfa nkame mu
yetoa ensam no so dwumadie bi kɔ so ewo Kumase hase na ne nyina no eyese MTN Ghana ebrano no ya na wotai ejai adehye no egum wana dwumayefo no na waye ntete na timi aboa wone a sabi opam ade ene wone a wankasankasa osua dwuma bia ya wopese o wankasankasa so edebe wo ho bra ewo man Ghana hase na dwumadie no bia koso ya na woyi nafua maako aduonu baako enesi ho na wode ye santete no edema wone a wo gentete ewo ade pam mu ene mponi wone a wasua dwuma no apom wo ho dada na na bra dwumadie no ekoso no na yenua ba Benis adusai boate na wo ho ne sayenti wone ahodwo chairman edema Ghana National Tailors and Dressmakers Association edi nkomo ene obusa ne se di adu NTN fo ayeyi no mo ka ne sen eya ne gisam anase yeden
I like to see who say MTN Foundation or 3 pillars: the pillar of health, the pillar of economic empowerment, and the pillar of education. These are the 3 pillars I know.
Ama omo bibia na mebe so e de akire. First day dey nim senkaja adere yapama e wo hosa. Ye edwuma na ye edwuma. Sene edi kan no pam shirt baako a ebi ni paro ma maji edo oba baji na budget cross na yede abeda so nti wo scan edema wa na basu fi school aba say what be man ba na no mama yen say o say separate accounts edwuma na no savings wonye bia 100 cedis cross na won say bia wo de 20 ato way for light way for edwuma no na we so for bia wo ma daach inteno me ka we ede ahye madam ne masses nyina nkran se yen fasa afutue nye djuma se yenya kura na ene ya benye sa de suen yetimi fancha ase na yenya na yenhwe na da foforo bi kura yetimi atwensa afra ne se ya frempen fon se adesua mu ne ebesua sa mo de maaye no yeye ne yenya kuntu bi ade efrim nti we ne me ka hye madam ne masses nyina nkran se ye den yentu sa ye ho anamo na betimi aboa yen na customers ne nso so ya kan say customers den na ya na ya kan say omo always right yeah madam ne master for him say they be here right ade pam for them say you twa ntro e best customers nso say ye dwuma ndie sa na tie because body pam bia ni din pese o ade pam ni de minim say Ghana for ade pam fan ko ade celebrate kan ade minim the best say customers want to say put edwuma breya na say ye shemoda momna meji
we owura Prince Nicholas na ye tenin kan ahodwo chairman de Ghana National Tailors and Dressmakers Association ana wode sam we eto ye nuaba Benis adusai boaten anim na ye nuaba Benis amana nso ho a wosane Northern Ghana manager edi enkomo owura Simon amu edi enkomo busa ne se the MTN for ye musom say
I like to see who say MTN Foundation or 3 pillars: the pillar of health, the pillar of economic empowerment, and the pillar of education. These are the 3 pillars I know. Our field is under economic empowerment, where we are trying to pull artisans and other people together. Say, quite fast to be able for this time in the technology space. No, and a mobile phone, and then one bit with their ejuma any accounting processes customer service ni bibi a obeye no ya come abo na just say church of the normal. Okay, the sika obeka maybe can say just sika board there to say they are nationwide across the country. They are making a Kumasi di intimate me can say ya just sika e dia to a ye dey. First no for be fast way with man enne ultimate fast akwan so the way abesi fast keep accounting books ejuma na we no be bu hun conta the way be treat your customers the way obenya more customers even kwa ya be fast kra asesua bidia ka ejuma ne ho no eho hia for example you ade a YouTube ofa wo phone na obetumi akose ade a wo pama ade na wo ye hairdressing a obetumi akotua stars bi e de agba wo ejuma no enso ye kwa say fast so kyerɛ wa sa obetumi access intini nyina ye kyerɛkyerɛ mo ene kwa ya obefa so no customers be kasa kwa obefa so abɔ mo ho ban obi ba sɛ wanya na adwuma yie kura wo abokyerɛ kwa so abanya abokyerɛ ne na kasa obi so wa na adwen sɛ me ye call customer nti bia obɛyɛ bia enko yie bia no ɛsɛ metumi ka kyerɛ wo
Northern Ghana and our original manager Edma MTN Ghana Yera Simon Amo.
Abusua enko mano so na yene opening power that chamber for local governance ano enkonkodi nkomo bia sorry se semasha aban eyen tutu yese yebeje eye property rate na chese ebia Sompa FM ye wajapade bisi so am bonten so na se bia ye obi esikumasi aduma bonten so a awasa brano no ye tuatua eto ewo ho edema assembly ahodo no na se sika no na entity abobo ba kire se Ghana Revenue Authority mpenifo chese omo na egisi se sika no na so mpenifo bi chese o 50 mu na ohwemu a enye Ghana Revenue Authority mpenifo na yesa de nemum ye wo ankrankra bia wo mo ete baabi eno mo yesa de no na Ghana Revenue Authority mpenifo asomudo mo ho eba be batabata ho ne enko ma no so ne ne chimba for local governance opening pa ya oda no nkodi nkomo opening Richard eye fiadomo nkodi nkomo opening oti enka enwumre yam adwo
yo me da se mutia no etiefo nyina so enwumre
me ne matiefo ege so asam no pa eye sei kire mu sa property rate eye hwan na ege eye Ghana Revenue Authority mpenimfo no na egege anase hwan pa na egege de ahye GR mpenimfo
yo me da se em se de edikan no aban no 2023 budget or the call parliament in November anu na aban ye say ewura 2023 mu a aban na ngasa bagege property rates through GRA nti ewura 2023 mu na GRA for ankasa ede press release eba abonten krata on the heading here exemption from payment of property rates meka potom kasam kakra I say the GRA in collaboration with the Ministry of Local Government, Rural Development and Decentralization and Metropolitan Municipal and District Assemblies has commenced the collection and payment of property rates in the country via myassembly.gov, ot.gov, and it is a government.gov.gh. Same document now, GRA has dispatched client support officers to assist property rate payers register and pay their rates. It is an official document that GRA di Babantino. Prima facie presupposed to say GRA for and I say bill or the account aba. Official GRA a government agency. Into whom website and answer account no customer assembly.gov next is a government. It's any which in it. GRA requires about rate payers say. Mo bien sike bia ma assembly bia not even the finance officers at the assembly when you scan electronic means yentua ni nyina engu ma assembly.gov.gh and rate payers ya sutia sebio you set it from November up to end up minokase 5 months into the collection of the property rates. Now assemblies no GRC or 30%. I'll come to the law. Per arrangement, GRA 30%, that assembly is 70%. Eco VH, 70%, the purported 70% ECOMA assemblies was transferred to them by a private company, not GRA and not myassembly.gov.gh. So we ask the question. Eban is saying GRA aban umay aban account say MTS Kingum. MTS Kenugumia, Tika Esade Koma aban entity, which is the local government authorities. No, a private company NHR. Intiatia Sebu and ye, Intinia GRA for say. Sama assembly.gov.gh, you know, a bank account and answer a private company account, and that is our problem.
Na openi Richard Fiadomo mubusa sa questions si etro krata e de koma GRE no answers be no modi amamo.
Terminal ka say release GRE form by out and the country. Now omuntu ni ba bontin be kasa because omuni se ne aka no no kre. Na se usahwe ma se nye GRE kra ye fa ne se enye private company na digit scan. GRE collecting the money is an illegality because Usha Act 791 GRE Act now a Chesika GRE betting directly and indirectly. And also Act 936 a Local Governance Act now. And if it Chesika a assembly agency. Into Act 791 is an act of parliament. Act 936 is also an act of parliament. It is a GRE person or GG property rate, which is a ceded revenue. It's a parliament, it's a GRE act, no. And a parliament, that's a local governance act, no. It's my GRE for who find a more much.
It is illegal idea we are ekoswo a GRA AYB sa private company no a one also so ASAD na AYB na e was a co parliament na ekosesa enkoye no mode ma so toto for mo a sa private company no why na e hihye akiri
ni papro no any company no, but you see we are very responsible chamber. It's for private company din and beto abontin and sell within and sell business. Because you say GRE is a state institution, we have lawyers. And it's a private company, the idea but say mama means a bansika. Now the GRE is enjoined to make sure that does not happen. For now. Yeah, even though we do the private company, we do not want to spoil their business by mentioning their name. Because private company be involved, we'll come out with the name and we'll come out with evidence to prove that a private company na Ochi is Kanima assemblies. No, against the law. Private company.
It is say a GRE for mature krata koma womo omon reply mo and responding to krata no. Nasa illegal adie way ekoswa etie Ghana ye constitution. Etiano no more plans be say bia mo petition parliament mo petition state institution bia na say to say attorney general amade we ya ekoso no wabamu ana because ye tena no mo hwesa say illegal Ghana mran na ye di twitwiri form no
yo me da say emramo no yan chamber for local governance we are not a legal body to say an illegality has been perpetrated. We are saying it's illegal. It is a issues na emienu. GRE entities in terms of property rates, we say it's an illegality. Only one. No, we have in the process of filing an injunction against the government. You have more 30 days to correct the anomaly. After 30 days, Omanka as a property and will go to court to injunct the process. And no dancing.
Okay.
The second one, I can once say GRE is involving in criminality by fronting for a private company to hold on to government funds for more than 48 hours.
Okay.
And this is another issue which they are question Parliament to make sure that because Parliament as a chamber we don't have what it takes to subpoena GRE to answer the questions we are asking.
Matthias,
Parliament can do that. So I know soon they are far Parliament side to wait. But we are waiting for a week after a press release to see whether the GRA will come out to say what Charlotte is saying is not true or what Charlotte is saying is true. Then we'll trigger the parliamentary action as well. So we have given 1 week after the release for GRA to respond.
For where your penny Richard Fiadomo, one penny conjure for that chamber for local governance.
Afe yanko asen northway. Parties I would ring in our beer a uni passa can be as by election no. ne nipa betumi agyina mu na watumi adinkunim na LPG party nso so ayi Madam Bernice Enyonam Sefanu sɛ wɔno na enyina mu ma yɛni nkɔmɔ kakra maame Awurade asomdwe nka wo sa woteme nka
papa nka wo so
na apɔm te sɛn
Yankopɔn dom mo so mo he de
Nyame adom LPG party no bibia bɔkɔ de
Yankopɔn dom bibia bɔkɔ
na asen no fo kɔ yɛ grounds enema ekɔ sɛ Enyonam
oh Nyame adom grounds no bi enema ekɔ
mi busa sɛ obi busa sɛ hwan ne Bernice Enyonam Sefanu a asɛm tia bɛn na wobɛka kyerɛ just a minute bi
oh Bernice Enyonam Sefanu oba wayi ne ti ɛwɔ LPG ayɛ amanyɔkɔ aba abɛka NDC ne MPP ho na ya contest for by election yi ɛwɔ this ɛwɔ saa election wey mu
akyɛ nipa na wogyina wo nkyɛn sɛ o distracted why na yɛni nkɔmɔ yɛ saa mmoa yɛ mpakyɛw why
mempanyinfo bi ɔmo pɛrɛ bi ayɛ wei
o sɛ ɔmo pɛ sika no ba sɛ ɔmo pɛ sika agye mbo a mmoa wɔ mo a na maame yi sɛ wokɔ ground so na wote baabi din na wotie nsɛm a manfoɔ ɛreka no a wohwɛ a ground so no te sɛn
oh yeah me na me na me sɛ ne wɔka na amanfoɔ amabamabu ɛwɔ NDC ne MPP ho kan sɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn ayɛ fed up with them de bia ne aba ne de sika abɛdaadaa wɔn ne abɛka nsɛm akɛse abɛdaadaa wɔn by the end of the day no wɔn mmoa wɔn ho sɛ abatoɔ bɛduru a ne ho na wɔn tutu mirika na wɔn sɛ wɔn kyekyɛ sika na wɔn de nneɛma de puapua wɔn sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ wɔn sɛ atɔ wɔn adwene bio sisi a wɔn asɛ wɔn ho sɛ wɔn ɛyɛ daadaafoɔ ɛna ɔmo mmoa mo ɛwɔ asemma mu yɛ mpuntu nti de ɔmo abamabu paa
na wohwɛ akunwa yi a esi hɔ sesi yi a wohwɛ a ɔbaa betumi atena saa akunwa a wosu sesi a yɛ kasa yi
oh Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a mɛtena so paa
asɛm a wode kɔ no ɛne sɛn ɔmo hu wɔ ɔmo ka sɛn
ibacha sɛ
asɛm a wode nam wo campaign message ɛyɛ deɛn wadaroma
oh me campaign message a me de nam no and say ya pe better atin not ya pe atin not into etumi etumpon ya pe say atin of nso mi fa won to ma pefra ya pe say atin of nso to mi free ogua buburo mu enti ye na kuafo a hanu masin ma mu hanu akuaduma na ye adwuma di a ye di wo hanu titiri pa enti ya fa won hu that day ya ti ya kuma say na me adom na say ma boy me bi amanya nso a yanso bo ama won okuaduma na wo ye no betumi akokan aka say me bo ama akokan a na e wo say nneema akade a omode ye won kuaduma na be ma omo so nneema atumi akoso no ye de be bo won se na be ya kuaduma no so betumi akoso na omo productivity no so atumi akɔ high ama omo so atumi anya high income ama omo tetem so atumi ayeye
odi kan ba bi pɛn ana sɛ ɛbere di kan a wo ba ni maame
ipacho ɛbere edi kan mi bɛn
o mfie ne bɛyɛ sɛn
me pacho sɛ
o mfie no bɛyɛ sɛn
pacho sɛ dɛn
wo mfie bɛyɛ sɛn age yɛ sɛn
o si mi wo mfie bɛyɛ sɛn o pacho menya mfie 36 years
37 years
36
oh 36 years nyambe ye why na ekrom wa na wa na se wo firi ba bi na wadaroma ba
ekrom ha ya na me wo
watena ho be sen
e ba cha se
ba cha watena ho no be sen
oh ekrom ha me na ha wo me mo fra brema na me ko school mi wie sabatena ha nti aha de ha na me
asem fa he pote wadaroma
e ba cha me wa se akonfode
akonfede oh enti mo trans di am hu se jache question de no abase na tu se ekwan damu di ama ma fi se mo hu se mema di kan ba na me kan ko enti ma so bere ne won
e pa cho an hu se ma no so yenso ye bere ni se o se sore waka na ye ba boy e man
wo ya anwani ana Madam Bernice
Papa.
We are ngweni wo.
Mpacho so me yede.
We are ngweni ana.
Me pacho ami ai.
Okay. Ya bedi nko ma na yira wo sia.
Me pacho yo. Era ku yo.
Yo. We am me beni senyo nam safanu ana yete nkan Liberal Party of Ghana Kofi Akpalo so me ha. Na so me ha. Asen no by election. Omuso ginam.
Amusu yene da se de ma Universal Natural Clinic ye da wunuma se pa se enese ye dompe ene entinimu pa ena etetewa amusu yemfa nko ba bia se Universal Natural Clinic udompe no se muja wo se mututu wo se muka wo dompe de enko ba bia na eba ne stroke so a wo mo eye ho ade papa ebi kire se na stroke no edi mfie mienu a ne se den edi mfie no mu a ne se den he mfie bi ade bia no Universal Natural Clinic se fabra na omonchiro se dru e baby hunam tutuo pa se toda hunam idwa pa oti se dompe mu dwa a enfo ni nche baby a se Universal Natural Clinic na wose okọ e ba no stomach ulcer nom malaria hepatitis B ni C ni D stomach ulcer ne yefu yade bia wo mo eye ho ade papa wo mo atonsu S-line wo mo ebembo nsuom hono ene omu ni nkomo e wo 02001 58272020158 and African Origin Travels and Sports Tourism almost here in Kancham say African Cup no under 23 de e baso na e baso Morocco abonten so e was yan pese ukobia e cool chop 5,000 Ghana cedis na watua officer fee ka ho bebia obeda ka ho transportation ka obetinam e Morocco ho no mo ka ho and na rupra obetinam every Ghana ko Morocco nyina no na nyina e ka 5,000 Ghana cedis no na omasa so ayen hyehyɛ ya wo mo HS free June edikosi July free June edikosi July wo mo de amanfo ko France Germany Italy and Spain entis wani je ho a say yes UK nyina ka ho ene Colombia ne Nicaragua no mu nyina e ka ho nti June edikosi July aben hyehyɛ mesro so pese ukobia ne here ne so obefrɛ sa telephone number si 0544 322 112 0544 322-112 and 0544 34702 0544 34702 and 3A Herbal Center at 3A cool capsules waba see a cocoa pan every free war self free when yase self free woto self free minimum and na de bia wo ye also so de akwakoye wasum and de bia wo de niam dochiri wasum e de adochiri a eye 3A cool capsules so cocoa dro tatahwe a friend doctor authority impeding fagiatum eno no onomu antesa amanfo de no a onom ya untimi nko ba bia chese wo yembe kansa no we de gentria enkofa o yem bia nti obetimi anom na wakọ adwuma obetimi anom na de akwakodu nkomo bi ekire na chese waba no waba beyi ne managu onom enya na odwa so odo ne che kwalinak nom Danny Heba Missy Heba Lapidankia obenye biato 0546 107 107 0546 107 abusia yemfa enkaboitia wei entwemu emamo ya brantie baako epe baby ediniti ato yesremu a ya brantie baako epe baby ediniti ato wo pesengiri room self container obenya ne toilet room obenya ne bathroom room ne se bia kitchen kuma bi kura no obenya ne wo mu a enkere ni beje ho pa wo se onya bi wo suame ha new suame ene anomanje empatasie takwa ene makro ene akoko supersia abusia enkere ni beje ho pa ya branch baako pesingri room self container obenya ne toilet room obenya ne bathroom no nya ne kitchen kakra e de ahyemu nti abusua se wutie yen na wo bi wo sa mia yi suame new suame anomanje empatasie takwa ne macro ene akoko special yesre wa na otia sa homa yi so sisi a 0247 93 23 24 0247 93 23 24 yesre mu amomo aye na onya baby mfaniti entoma ye ne so manwumre na ya obo amalibi aboga nwumre mene
nana kwabna kese sabe de asem pani pa dwumade no na to aso